In this lesson, you will learn more about the dynamic speckles and their properties. Dynamic speckle is a dab type with two basic modes, particle or bristle. There are dynamic speckle gravity, flow, and spring particle modes, which mirror the behavior of their thin lines particles counterparts. But rather than depositing thin lines, dynamic speckle deposits circular speckles. Dynamic speckle bristle is the second mode, which does not support particle properties, but instead behaves like a bristle brush. You can even enable real bristle to further customize the bristles. Let's take a look at some of the properties we can use to customize dynamic speckles. I'll select the wet soft brush found in the acrylics category. Next, I'll show the dynamic speckle panel in the advanced brush controls. There is also a flyout available in the properties bar. And I will remove scale size so we can focus solely on the dynamic speckle properties. Then I will look in the spacing panel and enable continuous time deposition. This will allow me to click with the mouse or dab with my pen to create a dab that shows the individual speckles. The first properties are speckle count and size. I'll make my brush size 200 pixels and reduce the count and size of this brush to 20%. Then I'll paint a reference dab. If I increase the count, more speckles are generated inside the dab. In order to fit inside the dab, the speckles become smaller and closer together when count is high. If I increase the size, those speckles get larger, but their quantity and distribution remains fixed. Rather than overlapping, the speckles push against each other, distorting the roundness of the speckles. In a sense, these speckles are just the tips of bristles. By modifying count and size, I'm defining the thickness and density of the bristles on my brush. Because dynamic speckle is a dab type, you can use it to deposit a variety of media from watercolor to marker to textures. I'll change the method to wet and the subcategory to grainy wet abrasive. Now this dynamic speckle brush can deposit watercolor paint, and you can see that the paint diffuses. By selecting the texture method and the desk paint texture, I get a completely different look. I can even select the eraser method, and now I'm able to erase with dynamic speckles. As you can see, dynamic speckle is quite versatile and can be combined with a lot of different technologies.